Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the Tandem language learning app. I'll walk you through how it works and show you the basics so you can start practicing a new language right away. So first things first, what is Tandem? Well, it's not just another flashcard or grammar app. Instead, Tandem connects you directly with real people, speakers of the language you want to learn. That way, you practice through real conversation instead of just drills. And just to be clear, Tandem isn't a dating app. It's a global community built around language exchange. So the goal is learning, not dating. When you open the app, you'll notice 4 tabs at the bottom: Community, Chats, Social, and Pro. Let's break those down. The Community tab is where you'll find language partners. You can view user profiles, see what languages they speak natively, and what languages they're learning. From there, you can send a message, start a voice chat, or even hop on a video call. If you're learning more than one language, you can add them here. Like, maybe you want to set Japanese as your main target and add Russian as a secondary one. Tandem updates your recommendations based on those choices. You can also filter partners by language or even by gender if that makes you more comfortable. There's also a nearby option, which highlights users who live close to your location, so you can practice more locally if you'd like. The Chats tab is where your conversations appear. Here you can type messages, send voice recordings, or just have casual practice sessions. Next up, the Social tab. This is where you can join language parties, kind of like live group chats, or join clubs for regular discussions with learners who share your goals. And hey, if you'd like, you can even create your own club or party. At the top left corner, you'll see your profile. Here you can update your photo, write an about section, add certificates, or share your language goals. And if you tap the gear icon at the top right, you can manage your subscription and fine-tune account settings. Finally, there's the Pro tab. This gives you access to premium features like unlimited translations, profile boosts, and advanced search filters. It's optional, but really helpful if you're serious about practicing daily. So, quick recap. The Community tab is where you meet partners, Chats is for conversations, Social is for clubs and parties, and Pro unlocks premium features. Together, these make Tandem one of the most interactive ways to learn a language online. And that's all you need to get started with the Tandem language app. If this helped, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your language learning journey.